Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marshes with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Shreveport, Texarkana starting out low 60s this morning. We do have mostly clear skies in place, probably going to dip into the 50s before we get going here, but pretty quiet weather pattern for us once again, at least here in the Arklatex. You can see we do have some activity going on around us. A few thunderstorms, northern Oklahoma, portions of Arkansas as well, and just a little cloud cover out there this morning. Some of the forecast models, again, trying to bring the rain down close to McCurtain County today, but I've left the rain chances out of the forecast as we're still dealing with quite a bit of dry air and also cool air. You can see Shreveport and Texarkana, one of the few spots actually in the 60s. Everybody around us has dipped into the 50s this morning. 55 in Marshall, 56 in Natchitoches. So once again, feeling great this morning. Not much wind as the wind kicks in today. Should be out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Maybe a little bit of a turn to the southeast as well. Not seeing any issues as far as any dense fog, but we do have patchy fog in the valleys of Arkansas there to Queen down to 3-mile visibility and the typical spots there near Marshall. Maybe seeing a little bit of patchy fog this morning, but temperature-wise running pretty close to what we saw yesterday. We'll actually top out a few degrees warmer this afternoon, so looking at mid to upper 70s for lunchtime today, and then mid-80s as we go through the back half of the day. It's the 85 forecast high in Shreveport, Texarkana coming in at about 84 degrees, 83 for Mount Pleasant, and a wide look at the region. You can see big old ridge of high pressure is set up out to the west here, so that will keep us dry for the remainder of the week as the rain basically follows the jet stream lines there in the atmosphere, so you can see most of the rain across the northern half of the country. A little disturbance over here in south and west Texas, and we'll bring some storms to those locations. So if you do have travel plans, maybe San Antonio, Austin, some of those areas could be affected by that today. But for us, pretty quiet, mostly sunny, partly cloudy skies for your Tuesday, and that trend should carry into Wednesday. And really for the remainder of the week here, we'll continue to run in the mid to upper 80s and just mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies every day. We'll jump forward to Saturday. We'll start out dry here, but late in the day Saturday, here comes our next cold front, and really not much of a cold front, not going to drop our temperatures much, but it will bring us our next chance for rain and storms. Pretty big severe weather expected over in portions of Texas and Oklahoma on Saturday, and the Arklatex will probably catch ourselves on the fringes of that. It's looking more and more likely that we will see these storms late Saturday night, and potentially lingering into Sunday morning. So the Storm Prediction Center actually does have us in their long-range outlook, and I can go ahead and slide this in and show that to you. That would be day 4. Day 4 is the Friday, so again, there's your severe weather threat. Day 5 would be for us here in the Arklatex. So this would be your late Saturday into Sunday morning, and then the day 6 in some portions of southern Arkansas, but I really don't think we'll see much as far as any severe weather threat on Sunday. Will mainly be a Saturday thing for us, and there you go. So as we go through the day Sunday, should begin to see some dry air make its way back in. We've actually included slight rain chances for Monday as well. Of course, keeping our eyes on how much rain we'll see with this next system. Yesterday, Futurecast showing 1 to 2 inches, and this morning it continues to show those 1 to 2 inch amounts in quite a few locations here. So again, with the lakes and rivers in flood stage, this doesn't help, but I don't necessarily think another 1 to 2 inches is going to hurt us too bad. So we'll keep our eyes on how that will play out here. But as far as your 7-day forecast, again, rain and thunderstorms likely this weekend. Till then, mid to upper 80s each day, plenty of sunshine through Friday before we hit those storms this weekend.